Kickstart your content creation journey today. Hey, aspiring creators. Thinking about diving into the world of content creation but feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm breaking down a simple step-by-step guide to kickstart your content creation journey. Let's get into it. First off, who is a content creator? Whether you're a vlogger, blogger, social media influencer, or podcaster, you're a content creator. For Gen Z, content creation is all about authenticity and individuality. But let's be real, it's not as easy as it looks from the outside. With a clear vision and the right steps, it can be a structured and enjoyable process. Step 1. Define your content goals and audience. Start by asking yourself, why and for whom am I creating this content? Do you want to educate, entertain, or build a personal brand? Knowing your objectives keeps you focused and helps measure success. Then, get to know your audience. Research their pain points, interests, and behaviors. Creating content that adds value or solves a problem builds loyalty and trust. Step 2. Choose the right platform. Different platforms suit different types of content. Instagram and TikTok are great for short-form content, while YouTube is perfect for long-form videos. For professional content, LinkedIn is your go-to. Your platform choice ensures your content reaches the right audience effectively. Step 3. Plan and organize your content. Consistency is key. Use a content calendar to maintain a steady flow of ideas and material. Plan your content in advance using tools like Trello, Google Sheets, or Notion. This keeps you organized and ensures you're always prepared. Step 4. Create and promote engaging content. Focus on creating content that serves a purpose. Find your niche and understand what your audience is looking for. If your first niche doesn't work out, don't give up. Experiment and find what clicks for you. Once you've created content, it's time to promote it. Balance organic and paid promotions to maximize growth. Conclusion. Your content creation journey is a blend of creativity, strategy, and consistency. Don't give up easily, and you'll achieve great heights. So, if you're ready to start, follow this guide and kickstart your journey today. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tips on content creation. Until next time, keep creating.